Hey, what's up guys, I'm Shubhankar from TechRunsGadgets and welcome to another video. You know what the thumbnail is about, and yeah, I received a package from YouTube today, and I think it's the silver play button, which is now called the Silver Creator Award. So this is the package I got in my mailbox. It's pretty big, so let's see what's inside, shall we? I'm very excited for this. So I have a small knife here, and let's see what's inside. I think it was open when it went through customs. Yeah. Then they taped it all over it again. Yeah. We got it right. So let's see what's inside. So this is our Silver Creator Award. There's a nice foam inside. Let's remove it. And like every other creator who surpassed 100,000 subscribers, there's a letter from Susan. This is the letter, as you can see. Let's just read it a bit. You have just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They're inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. I can say like that. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. And we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with the Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do this because you have a drive to create and share, and because you have found an audience who cares. I'm honored to be making video for you guys. Believe us when you say that you can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you are closer than you think, and we're rooting from you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, Susan Lucheski, CEO of YouTube. I'm just humbled. Thank you everyone from YouTube for this nice letter. Now let's just keep it to the side and let's see what's inside. Guys, this is our Silver Creator Award. I just got some dust. Let's just open it. It's the best part. As you can see, there is our name imprinted. TechRunsGadgets. Presented to TechRunsGadgets, surpassing 100,000 subscribers. And there's the new logo. Man, it's damn gorgeous. You know, when I thought of making this video, I thought I'd have a lot of things to say, but I'm just now speechless. I just want to thank each one of you for making this possible. Some of you guys watching right now subscribed the other day, and some of you guys, many of you guys, have been subscribed to my channel from day one. On March 5th, I reached 100,000 subscribers on YouTube this year, and it took some time to get to our home. But it came, better late than never, right? And I'm just grateful to each one of you for making this possible. Ever since I was a kid, it was my dream to hold this Silver Creator Award in my hands, and today, because of you guys, I'm holding it. It's not just my accomplishment, it's ours. And when I just look myself in the mirror, I think of the journey that have helped us reach where we are today, and the channel is nothing without you guys. I just wanted to make this video to reflect on our journey so far and to show my gratitude to every subscriber out there. If you're a small YouTuber or just trying to make it big on YouTube, I have some tips for you. This award didn't come in one day. It took a lot of effort and hard work, and most of all, patience. So if you dream of winning this type of awards or any future awards from YouTube, always work hard, have patience, and always believe in yourself. You can do anything you want. And so guys, I just want to say a huge thanks to every one of you for making this kid's dream a reality. And so guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button below, and if you have any questions or you want to post any comments, you can post them in the comment section below. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. I make cool tech videos, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching. I can't lie, mesmerize, body lines, I'm so happy. I can't lie, mesmerize.